Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Diri has applauded outgoing local government council chairmen for their development drive in rural communities. Senator Diri gave the applause recently while commissioning projects executed by Yenagoa City Council, Kolokuma Pokuma, and Southern Niger local government councils of Bayelsa State.
Senator Diri recently commissioned legacy projects executed and completed by local government councils in Bayelsa State. Among the projects commissioned were a model motor park and police station built in Kayama by the Kolokuma Opokuma Local Government Council. As part of his recent statewide commissioning of projects, Senator Diri also commissioned an ultra-modern administrative block at the Yenagoa City Council. Senator Diri later proceeded to Southern Niger, where he commissioned several projects including an internal road construction project, the Executive Chairman's Office Complex, and a 50-capacity hall built by the local government council. At its inception in February 2020, the prosperity government of Senator Diri was confronted with an almost insolvent local government system that was struggling to pay workers' salaries. The government's response was to ensure autonomy for the local government councils and provide financial bailout to enable them function effectively as the third tier of government. Today, Senator Diri is elated that the local government councils are not only able to pay workers' salaries, but have made significant progress with capital projects.
And from that intervention, local governments that were running down, that could no longer pay salaries, started standing up. And standing up to the point that today, local governments, rather than owing, have savings in their local governments.
Over the years, rural poverty has been widespread in the Niger Delta on account of poor governance at the grassroots. Chairman of Southern Niger Local Government Council, Chief Nigeria Care, is grateful to the government of Senator Diri for changing the narrative in Bayelsa State.
Your Excellency, in addition to this project, Southern Niger Local Government Council, under my administration, had executed and completed well over 50 capital projects across 17 wards and the 4 constituencies of our local government. I want to state emphatically that the execution of this project was made possible as a result of financial liberty, support given by our miracle governor.
Through the intervention of the state government, backlog of salaries owed local government council workers have been cleared. Senator Diri is confident that at the expiration of their tenure, elected council officials in Bayelsa State will also have cause to smile.
We also met a backlog of severance allowances. In fact, at a point there were protests from outgone councillors for their severance allowances. But I can confidently tell you today that as a result of our policies, the councillors and chairmen that will be outgoing by August, their severance allowance is already there for them.
As part of efforts to revive the local government system, the government of Senator Diri is currently raising funds to pay pensions and gratuities owed retired local government council workers to keep them at par with their counterparts in the state civil service.
Inside the Niger Delta,